to me and listen to me carefully. Today, new segment, quick fitness right now. Let's go.
Yeah.
Quick fitness. What are we gonna do for quick fitness? Listen, all you people that say, oh, I don't have time to work out. I don't have the time to work out. That's bullshit. You aren't willing to work out. It is around 9, 10, something like that. I don't know, I don't care. I think it's Saturday. Every day that ends in Y, we must do something towards our goal. The goal is to stay fit. Right now, I'm not that focused on building muscle. I'm not that focused on, oh, I'm gonna carve a physique. I just wanna stay fit and I wanna hustle, okay? Maybe your goal is different. Maybe you have a split chest routine or something with chest, back, all this kind of stuff. You're doing this bodybuilding stuff. I want to make sure, I want to make it clear, I want to help you understand and help you realize fitness is simple and everyone needs fitness. This is the Everyone Needs Fitness Quick Fitness edition. And on top of this video, I'm going to be talking about how important fitness is, how important fitness can be to your life, what fitness did to me, okay? Now, here is the rope. This is all you need. If you live in Australia, go to Kmart, $2, $2 coin, get you one of these. 5 minutes is all you need. That's all you need. Now, you can do it inside, outside, just find the place and do it 5 minutes. And today, I'm doing the 5-minute workout because I couldn't find the time to work out. But I'm not gonna say I can't work out. I would rather say I'm not willing to work out. And then I told myself, hey man, I'm not willing to work out. And I looked at myself in the mirror in my mind, asked myself that question, looked back at myself and like, I don't wanna say to myself, I'm not willing to work out. That sucks. How am I gonna be boy, bet on yourself, if I don't work out? It's one of my goals. If it's your goal, do it. If it's not, find your goal. Do something every day that ends in Y. I'm going to do this right now with you. We're going to do a voiceover on this whole clip. 5 minutes, quick, 5. Okay guys, exactly like I said, fitness is for everyone. Everyone needs to be doing fitness. Fitness is a tool. You have to understand the gym, fitness, any kind of activity where it's about your physical body, that's a tool. I'm already stuffing up here, but you know, whatever. It's a tool for you to use. It's a tool for you to utilize. You don't have to go and become a bodybuilder or a fitness model. You can do that afterwards. That's fine. But at the beginning, it's a tool for you to use, for you to utilize for your personal development. Now, whatever you do in life, you need to make sure that you're fit, because if you have a physical body, which, listen, I mean, you don't need to go to a scientist or anything. Like, you have a physical body. You have arms, you have legs, you have a torso, you have a chest, biceps, triceps, shoulders, all that kind of stuff. You need to be doing something to take care of that. Everyone needs to be doing something to take care of that. And it comes into play where people think that they cannot take care of that, which is complete garbage. Everyone can take care of their physical body. It doesn't take a long time. In this video, I literally just skipped for 5 minutes. Now, you're not going to be able to do the things I've done in this video if you just started skipping, but you have to understand, when I first started jumping rope, I could not do some of these tricks. I just did the simple 1-2. Even the simple 1-2 was difficult for me. You just do whatever you can today, and tomorrow you're going to get better. And if you keep doing it, you'll get better. You keep getting better every single day. It ends in Y. If you do what you need to do, you keep getting better. That's the way it goes. Now, for myself personally, fitness is so important, because without fitness, it's like a part of the stool. If you don't have fitness, then the stool cannot stand. It's going to be easy, but if you want it, you can get it. Whatever you want. You're gonna be a doctor, you're gonna be an accountant, you're gonna be a NASCAR driver, you wanna play in the NFL, do you wanna be the greatest rapper alive? What are you gonna do? Listen, moon's up there. Do you wanna be an astronaut? Do something every day that ends in Y. So what's your goal?
It's so important. You have a physical body. Why would you not take care of it? That's the dumbest thing I could possibly think of. If someone just said, no, I'm not going to do fitness because for whatever reason. You can never just get rid of your physical body. It's always going to be a part of you. So you have to maintain it. Just like your mind. You can't just get rid of your mind. You've been gifted a physical body. You've been gifted a mind. Why would you not take care of them? Why would you not utilize them to their full capacity? Now, I tell you, or you don't have to be a fitness model. You don't have to be a yogi in the mind department. You just have to get the basic tools. So then whatever you decide to do in your life, you have a good grounding. You have a good grounding, and you don't become one of those people that after they do all these things, they fall apart. They fall apart because they have bad discipline. They fall apart because they never had a good grounding. If you get a good grounding right at the beginning, you're set. You'll always be set. If you learn how to skip and jump rope for 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day, it doesn't matter if you're really, really busy like I was that day. I just went and jumped rope for 5 minutes. It was easy. That was for my fitness. That's all you need to do, 5-10 minutes. It's not a long time. There's literally no excuse, as if you cannot find 5 or 10 minutes in the day to get your jump rope and just skip. Now, another thing, you're not going to build the greatest physique in 5-10 minutes, but what you're going to do is you're going to build a discipline in your mind where it's going to create a neural pathway where you're going to go, well, it's not that hard, so I may as well just do it. May as well get out of the way.
Yeah.
That is the most important part about this quick fitness series we're going to be doing. Because, listen, you're not going to be building the best physique. This isn't some bodybuilding thing. This is quick fitness, a quick thing that you can do so you don't break the chain. So you don't break the chain of doing something every day that ends in Y. Because if you break the chain, that's one day that you could have done something that would have resulted in your success. Imagine how far you would be in your life if you've done something every single day. Right to this point, every single day, right to this point, you did something towards your goal. Imagine how far you'd be. Imagine the proficiency in your skill, the amount of knowledge you would have gained, the amount of experience you would have gained. If you're 20, that's 20 years right from the get-go, right? As soon as you popped out the room, boom, like that. 20 years of knowledge, 20 years of experience. If you don't do it every day, then that's less experience. Just keep this in mind. It's so important that you break these things down. Fitness doesn't have to be hard. If you want a better physique, then of course you're gonna have to go to the gym a bit more. Of course you're gonna have to invest a bit more time. I'm not saying that you shouldn't. I'm just saying get a grounding, get a base.
Now listen to me clearly. I'm huffing, I'm puffing, I am sweating. Inside it's actually really cold right now in Brisbane. In Brisbane it's very cold. I did this workout with you so you understand how quick fitness can be. Make one thing very clear. That right there, if you go on Instagram, if you go on Bet on Yourself Vision, I will motivate you on Bet on Yourself Vision Instagram. Follow. Link it in the description. But if you go on Instagram, look at all the fitness models, and I have nothing against fitness models. I have nothing against fitness models. I have great appreciation for every single one of you guys. You're inspiring in a different way. I'm inspiring in a different way. I want you to understand this is not going to get you to where your fitness model is like. This is going to get you the first block. Okay? You are a Lego set. You have to put in the first block to build the Lego set. The skyscraper, you gotta put in the first block has to come. Don't fucking start here. Everyone wants to start here. Everyone wants to be like, oh, I'm gonna be huge, blah, 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 jacked. You can't start here. Now tell me one thing. How bad do you want this? Are you willing to do it? If you are, let's do it. Fitness, quick fitness, okay? I did this with you. Like this video, comment on this video so we know who you are, so we can inspire each other. Community. Subscribe, click the notification bell to notify yourself that we are dropping fire. And make sure you share this video, because if you don't share it, you rob someone of inspiration. Bye.